guys, in today's video I decided that 2023 I'm going to be more organized. So here is how I plan my life and what I use and how I do it with some iced tea because we can't go without some sweet tea. So let's get right into this. So I actually do all my planning on my iPad because it's easy for on the go, and I use the app Zinnia, which it's $9.99 a month, or I really need to switch to the yearly plan. So here's all my journals that I have. I'm gonna go to Michaela's life, and about this, like, I can transfer it easy to my iPhone and look like at lists and stuff. So I really like this, and I have like manifesting 2023, all my goals, like all my birthdays I need to list and everything. So here is the screen that we originally started with all my journals. For the Love of Self-Care journal is actually my journal. If you guys want me to make a digital file and put it on sale, I can, but you can get a hard copy of it if you like that as well, and I'll link that down below. But let's just get right into my life. I actually made this journal template myself. I had just changed the colors in Zinnia. Like, I used like different templates and like use different aspects of the templates and like rearrange them and stuff. So here is what I do for the week, and it has like a end of the week prayer, so I can pray over the next week or like what I want to be different, my mood for each day, because I am very mood, like my mood, it changes a lot. And then I have like a gratitude, so I put one thing that I'm thankful for at the end of each day. Then my habit tracker, list to do, list to buy, 3 affirmations, and like for each day I have what I need to do. So right now I'm just labeling the gratitude part with the days of the week. Okay, and they have literally so many stickers, templates, text boxes, anything for anything that you need. Like, you can literally find anything in there, and you can use a search if you need to search for something, which I always do. But like for decorating, like I literally go through each of these. You have like abstract, which I use a lot of the abstract things for like behind in the background to make my own backgrounds and stuff. But I also use like little clip art pieces, like if I have a theme for the week. Like I think the following week after this or the one before this was like makeup and relaxing and girly stuff. It's just so freaking cute. Like, I can't get over how many different stickers they have, and I'm a sticker junkie. When I was doing paper planning, I totally had so many sticker books, but this is like one of my favorites. Just wanted to show you this one. Another favorite is like the chic interior, I think, or it's something like that. It's like mod interior or something. I can't remember, but everything is such an aesthetic. I love it. So the first thing we have to do is I get paid on this week, so we're gonna insert the payday label. We're gonna change the color to be like one of these colors in this thing, and I usually do something opposite of what the label is up there. So I'm doing the navy blue. I think I change it because I'm doing a voiceover right now. I think I change it from navy blue, maybe, I don't know, but I always do it opposite of what the color is up there. So I like this work sticker. Like, I use it all the time because I work different days of the week, but my shift's always 7:30 to 6. So yeah, I'm just gonna make that to the size I want, and I am going to place it there, again making the opposite color of the top. And now I'm looking for a text box because we need one to list what I'm doing this week on them. Well, on my Thursday, I don't think I'm doing anything else this week besides that, like going somewhere. I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna change the color of it. And the 2 things I'm doing on Thursday is I'm going to see Michael Blackson with Much More Than Beauty. I'll link her down below. Definitely check her out on every social media platform. Thank you. But I'm also going to Agave Azul with my cousin and Araceli. So yeah, some girl time is definitely needed. And now I'm going to be doing the to-do list part. I'm not going to put any times on here because you guys don't need to know what time I'm going where. So yeah, I'm just going to put the date, but usually I do put the time. But I'm going to insert that after I'm done with, this video, because you guys don't need to know the time and places. But yeah, I'm just doing the to-do list, and I don't think I have it that much. I fill it out more whenever I, go throughout my week. So, but now I'm doing my habits, which the first things first is water, and then my calories. I try to burn at least 500 a day, like on my Apple Watch with my coworkers. It's a little competition, and it makes it fun. So that's what we do. And then I don't know why I paused for so long here. No clue. Oh, and then reframe. So like just reframing from anything that I don't want to do, like any bad habits I don't want to do. So I just refrain from those, and then I pray, like, to make sure I pray like a really good prayer, like not just like a 2 second prayer, like something like meaningful, long, and that connects with God. And then like working out or walking, which you guys, this last week I went to my gym twice, and that's the goal, to start 2 times a week. So I went to the gym twice, but I really do like taking long walks with my husband. But as well as this Maylee's, okay, Maylee's B flat, like tummy stuff, is like working so good for me, so I really want to put that on my habits, so that's why it's on there. Definitely check out Maylee's because I love it. They also have like for every area of the body. But do we need more text posits? So I'm gonna use this one. This is like one of my favorite ones, honestly, and I'm gonna use it for, I believe I used this on the weekend. Yeah, we're gonna no, what am I putting there? I don't even remember. Let's see what we're putting there, because yeah, should have put my iPad on do not disturb. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna start planning out my dinners, because I be like so bad about, okay, what am I gonna cook for each day of the week? So this week I'm making the taco shells because he's been asking that for like a week and a half, and I haven't been a good wife and like made them for him, so I'm gonna make them on Monday, which is tomorrow, because I'm filming this voiceover on Saturday, but you guys will get this video this week. And then we're going to be just putting each like thing that I want to cook for dinner there. I believe like I do salmon, yeah, salmon here, because I love me some salmon, y'all. Like, it's so good. I feel like every other fish is trash fish for some reason whenever I eat salmon. Like, salmon is just so flavorful. Yeah, I'll come back after I'm done filling these in. Okay, so I have finished all of the dinner and stuff we were gonna do, so I'm just gonna go in and change the color of these to match my aesthetic. And instead of sleeping in on Saturdays, my goal is to get up in the morning and go on a walk or go to the gym in the morning. So I'm gonna put that on a few days, which is Saturday and Thursday. So I plan my content, but to an extent. So I plan when I'm gonna edit and stuff, but planning content, if it's a big concept, I plan it out. But I really give you guys organic content, and like I have no script in front of me. I just literally go as, go with the flow. But I'm gonna put when I'm gonna edit my content this week, so I can make sure I do it. And here I'm gonna put when what I'm gonna film or edit, because I know myself, I'm gonna forget, or I'm not gonna allow myself enough time to. So right here I'm gonna put that I'm gonna film my makeup that I wear to the comedy show. Okay, now I'm gonna write my affirmations for the week. It's just something that I need to work on. I don't give myself enough credit. I don't talk positivity in myself. I can talk positivity in someone else so much, but me, I will not. And I said I will enjoy time out with friends, because I be feeling like if I have to go somewhere, it's a chore. So I'm trying to get my mind out of that. And then another one is I will elevate my reaction to how I have to go into the office and work, because I do work a full-time job and I work an hour away, so it's kind of, very, 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 it messes with my mind so much. But also that my content will come out quality this week, and you guys, you guys get input and let me know if you think my quality needs something else. I'm open to criticism. And now I'm just adding some things that I forgot, like I know I'm gonna forget to get this if I don't write it down. I need to get toothpaste and dish soap, and then we usually like to go grocery shopping together, so I want to do that with him. Hopefully our car is fixed by this time, because our car is currently messed up. I'm annoyed. And I just wanted to show you guys how I mark my mood. I just scribble in one of the smiley faces. Whichever one I'm feeling for the day, I, note that down. Don't mind the music in the back. If you hear it over the background music, I'm watching Family Guy. But yep, and I made this little mood chart my own. So I just copy and pasted it and made it like a group, because you can group things and save them. So I basically just, did it myself. And then here I want to mark down what worked, what didn't, and how I can fix it. I believe that's what it says. What worked, what didn't, and the next steps to fix it. So I really like this aspect of the journal. So that's a little positive, place. And then, the end of the week prayer, and then my habits. So I have like little things that I can do to like really make my week positive. And that is how I plan each week. It really has been helping me with like my mental health, and it's kind of fun, and it lets me be creative and to a point. Like I really love like cute aesthetic things. It makes me committed to them. And there's my February. I just want to show you what like my month looks like before I fill it in. But yeah, so if you try Zinnia, let me know. If you have any questions about it, leave it down in the comments. I truly am obsessed with this journaling app. And yeah, I will see you in my next video.